Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the Aussie dollar US dollar FX for Tuesday, October 1st, 2013. Well, a change of trend today, and a candle has made a higher high and a higher low. The candle we're looking at is the second last candle here on the chart. And for the previous day's candle, you recall we had this very strong first time frame downtrend that the market was in. We had an indecisive spinning top type candle that found support at the window, and I suggested that there was a very strong possibility of a change of trend, and we have seen confirmation of that change of trend with the candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. Today the market tested back into the window once again, and this really does highlight how important this window has been to trading, and it is quite a large area of the window. Previously we saw here that the window acted as support again, and that really does suggest how strong the window is. So moving forward, the window may act as or continue to act as strong support if the market does come off. Looking at this current candle, we have had somewhat of a change of sentiment, with the size of the white body being quite large, and it's been some time since we've seen a white body of that size, and it suggests that the buyers are attempting to build some momentum to trade to higher levels. We have seen the buyers close with control of this market, but they did lose commitment as they tested up above the Tenkan Sen. The Tenkan Sen here is or was trading around the 94 level. So a round number that has acted as resistance as well, and the market has closed just above the 93.86 level that was a previous area of support and resistance as well. So moving forward, that will be an important area, considering that the market was rejected from there. We will want to see the market close in a fairly bullish manner if we are going to trade to higher levels. Now, if we can trade through this area around the 94.37 level and up above the 94.60 level, we could quickly see the market testing up to about 95.36. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, and we're examining the relationship of the new first time frame uptrend to the previous time that the market was trending up, and here we're seeing the market close in a fairly bullish manner up above the 38.2% level, but test above the 50% and exactly to the 61.8% and be rejected from there. This does hint that there is potential for a change of trend, so we are looking for that to happen, but I suggest that with the very large size of the white body candle, the buyers finding some decent upside momentum in net terms, and the buyers closing with control, I suggest that probably more realistic opinion is for the market to perhaps move sideways or for the trend to continue. We do need to watch that 61.8% level again moving forward. The market is currently trading just below the 50% level, so these are two important levels that we do need to watch. And in terms of the Fibonacci retracement, we have seen the market test with this technique up exactly to the 61.8% level and test beyond the 50% level and being rejected from both of these areas, suggesting potential for a change of trend. But the short-term characteristics of this market, the balance of buyers and sellers, are really favouring the buyers and suggesting that there has been a strong shift back to the buyers, and really isn't suggesting that there is a good possibility of a change of trend back to the downside. In terms of Ichimoku, still a bullish market in the long-term time frame, with the market trading up above the cloud. A bullish market also in the medium-term time frame, with the market trading above the Kijun-sen. That Kijun-sen is pointing flat. Still a possibility of price action being attracted back towards there, so let's be on the lookout. But very, very solid support below where the market's trading at the window, and then at the top of the cloud here. In the short-term time frame, the market is still maintaining price action below the Tenkan Sen, and it has held as resistance now, and for the second consecutive not consecutive, but for the second trading day since we had the market close down below the Tenkan Sen. So the area around the Tenkan Sen will be very, very important for this market moving forward. And already as this market's trading, with this incomplete trading, we have seen the market now attempt to close up above the Tenkan Sen. So that is really highlighting that there is a potential shift in sentiment in the short-term time frame to the buyers. In terms of the Chico span, that's above the corresponding price action, so it's highlighting that there is some solid bullish momentum in this market and suggesting that there is good confirmation of the bullishness in the medium and the long-term time frame, and suggesting that there is potential for a breakout up above the Tenkan Sen in the market to trade to high levels. In fact, as the market is currently trading, we are now seeing some selling coming in, so there is still now a potential for the market to trade down below that Tenkan Sen. This really highlights how important it is to wait for the market to actually finish trading. So let's wait and see how the market does react to the Tenkan Sen. Also important will be the 93.86 level of previous resistance that the market has closed at now for this incomplete trading. But as I've mentioned, if the market does come off, we do have solid support at the window, and then beyond there, extending all the way down through the cloud down to around 90.74.